Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon po, maayo na hapon sa tanan.
Okay, ma'am, public knowledge na unang termino nyo pa lang as congresswoman sa 2nd District. You have 2 remaining term para mag-re-elect. Bakit, ma'am, ang pinili nyo ay pagka-city mayor?
Nakikita naman natin marami pang pwede rin gawing sa 2nd Distrito, but 2nd District will be in good hands. Nandito si returning Congresswoman Dr. Olga Ko. And I decided to run for City Mayor because nakikita natin na the city needs an upgrade. The city of Masbate needs an upgrade. The city of Masbate needs to look and feel like a city. Tayo ay napag-iiwanan na, nakabisita man siguro kayo sa ibang syudad. Pag uwi nyo dito sa Masbate, tanungin nyo mga sarili nyo, mukha bang nakatira tayo sa isang syudad?
So what specific policies would you implement to address the most pressing challenges you see in the city?
Okay, so for the plans, sabi ko nga, it will be a surprise. But as I've said, our city needs to look and feel like a city. So ako ay nag-aral naman sa Maynila, nakikita natin at nagkaroon tayo ng mga kaibigan na mga naging city mayors doon sa Kongreso. Nakausap natin sila kung ano yung mga policies, anong mga programs ng isang syudad na dapat ang isang syudad ay meron. So ayun yung mga planong na nakuha natin na sana ay ma-implement natin dito sa syudad San Masbate. Kaya naman ang ating line-up ay pinag-isipan ng mabuti, ang ating mga running mates, ang ating line-up ay carefully picked. Ang ating running mates, meron tayong retired colonels, meron tayong lawyers, businessmen, and veteran public servants because we only want the best for Masbate City. And as you can see, our lineups, our vice mayor, our councilors are composed of professionals, decent and trustworthy public servants. Yan ang magkakaroon ang lineup ng team ko, maaasahan na lineup. And I am very proud of my lineup. This is my dream team. Yes! Okay, maraming salamat po.